Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add suggestion amounts for donations in Ko-fi. Now, as you can see here on my homepage, guys, or my profile here, you can see that I only have donation of $5. So that's just one amount. Of course, I can always change this to whatever, right? So I can go ahead and I can set that to, for example, 500. But what if you want to add some suggestions amount? It's very easy to do. Go ahead and click on home. And once you're here, click on settings, then click on payments, then scroll down, and you want to ensure that you have the simple amount enabled. If you have the Ko-fi donation enabled, you will not have that options to enable the suggestion. So you want to choose a simple donation option. Then once you have this selected, you will see below this image that it says enable suggested amount. Turn this on, and here you can set the amount that you want. So let's say I want to start it at $5 or maybe $50, right? And I want it to move up to $100 for donation. And then I want to put it to 150, right? So let's say that's the suggestion amount. And for the minimum, you can make it start whatever you want. So minimum, I would like it to start, for example, the lowest amount of 50. So once you have that set, all you have to do, guys, is just go ahead and check your page again, and you will see that it's set. The cool thing about Ko-fi is that you don't have to click save. Once you make the changes here, it's automatically recorded, and once you go back to your page, you will see that it's set. It will, once you try to click off the page, it's gonna save, and you will see. So if you look now on the donation section, you can see that it now has the suggested amount as I wish. And that's how to go ahead and add suggested amount for donations in Ko-fi. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.